Hi everyone, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. If you saw my video from earlier today, you will know that I showed a brand new product that is coming to the store tomorrow. That is Wednesday, July 6th. And you will also know that I hinted to check back for another video today showing something else new related to the first one, but exciting in its own right. And I am here to reveal that to you today. So the video earlier today was introducing our new sticker buffets, which look a little like this. This is one of them that is launching. And these are all different patterns with some colorful functionals to go with it. The second product that I want to show you today is also a sticker buffet, but it is an exclusive color palette that is only going to be available for the month of July. When the month is over and we hit August 1st, this one will be replaced with a new color palette that will also be available only for the month. So let me show you the color palette for July and take you through the designs and what you can expect from this sticker buffet exclusive palette. These are the August colors right here. And I will tell you right off the bat, I chose them because I'm going to skip straight to the gradient sheet. It looks like a summer sunset to me. That to me just looks like the evening summer sky. So that's the color palette we went with for August. Nope, July. It is July. Here's what's going to happen with these. Whereas the ones I showed you earlier today were all different patterns, these white patterns will be repeated in some way in all of the exclusive monthly palettes. They may swap out here and there for seasonal stuff, but in general, my goal was to use solid colors with white patterns that you could use in a variety of ways. So let me take you through and show you what this one looks like. These are your standard vertical boxes, and then just like the other ones, we also have a sheet of B6 full boxes and the TPC Nation ones. Then we have your date covers, your brush strokes, your washi, functional boxes, doodle boxes. Here is your gradient sheet again, which if you missed the video this morning, it has secret shapes cut into it. Here is your torn papers sheet, your splashes, TPC Nation headers, brush stroke headers, and the exclusive freebie. So all of the same sheets, just done in a bit of a different way. These, you'll be able to mix and match these with so many different things. It'll be a different color palette each month. Obviously for August, I chose these bright, bold colors because, like I said, that sort of sunset theme that just struck me with the oranges melting into reds and purples and pinks. But the colors are pretty versatile and the patterns are all white, so they'll go with a ton of different things. You can use these for layering pieces with other kits you have. You can use them on their own. They will stand up to anything that you want to use them for. So as I shared in the video this morning, there are also bundles available. So let me show you again quickly what those look like. If you buy the standard vertical combo, as we're calling it, because of course this is a sticker buffet, you will get your full boxes for that planner, as well as your date covers, your brush strokes, your washi, your functional boxes, your doodle boxes, your mixed grid shapes, your torn papers, your brush stroke headers, and your freebie right there. This freebie, again, only available with one of the combos, not available in the a la carte options. However, this bundle in general and the exclusive monthly palette will be available as a la carte sheets as well. If you buy the B6 bundle, we just swap out the standard vertical sheet with the B6 boxes. If you buy the TPC Nation combo, we swap out that full box sheet for the sidebar boxes and add in your headers for that planner. These are those tiny little headers that go at the top, of that planner. And if you buy the journaling combo, we throw in the splashes instead of the full boxes. You still get all of the other sheets. And as always, with all of my kits and combos, there is an option to get the entire thing all together. Combos will be discounted, so you will save if you order a combo instead of the a la carte sheets. It's like a value meal or an all-you-can-eat buffet, which is why they are called sticker buffets. So I am super excited to be launching this. This will be in the shop tomorrow as well. It'll be up for the entire month of July, and then it will come down at midnight on July 31st and August 1st. A new palette will go up. You can expect that these will generally be about a month ahead of where we are in the season. So this one is sort of themed for that late summer, sunset, August type thing. August's theme will be getting into a little bit more of the fall colors, and then so on and so forth. Like I said, you'll see some of these patterns get switched up, so you won't always have that pattern and this one on the date covers. I swap them out. Same thing with these ones. I swap them around a little bit just to create some variety. The washi won't always be the same either. And for some of those seasonal palettes, you may see a few little seasonal ones in there as well. I hope you love this as much as I do. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. If you have any questions about the sticker buffets or the combos, let me know. Drop a comment down below and check these out in the shop tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future content, and come join us on Facebook in our Facebook group, because there's going to be a giveaway for one of these. So check that out, and I will see you all again soon. Bye, friends.